guys, me and the baby just woke up and I keep getting black mascara under my eyes. I look like I got punched. But the baby's right here. I'm gonna go make him some breakfast, just some mom things. Let's go. Do you want to count with me today? Ready? 1,
2, 5.
5. Good job. You're so smart. Okay, I'm gonna try to take off the black mascara, and I usually use the micellar water. Is that what it's called? I think, but let me take the cotton pad. This is what I get for using Dollar Tree mascara. It just be lingering on my eyeballs for like years. Okay guys, I'm gonna be making some fall breakfast. So I have pancake mix, we have some sausage, bacon, and I'm gonna go ahead and make me and my baby some breakfast. So let's bake, or no, let's cook.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you, best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. Trying to make a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make some little change to me, a war in my mind. Gotta let go. I testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch I do it. All I will promise kidding. I'm not. Long as you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinning through it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you.
Okay guys, I already made breakfast, so I'm gonna go to the gym now. I'm trying to be productive in life. So I'm gonna wear these black sweats because I am on my period. And then Juicy Couture sports bra underneath. And then it's a little bit colder outside, so I'm gonna wear my Juicy Couture sweater. So let me get dressed. Yeah, I'm putting on my sweater. And sorry, I feel like I look so crusty today, but I'm trying to put on my sweater. Do it like up there. Okay. But I'm gonna do my hair. I'm just gonna put it up in a ponytail because I want it like out of my face. Okay guys, I'm putting on some deodorant because I don't want to smell. And then some perfume. I was gonna put my hair in a high ponytail, but my hair was just not working with me, so I just put it in this little low ponytail.
Say you got a girl, how you want me? How you want me when you got a girl? The feeling is reckless, of knowing it's selfish, knowing I'm desperate, getting all in your love, falling all over love. I do it till it's last.
go ahead and take a shower. I'm sweaty, so I'm gonna go ahead and shower right now. Okay guys, I'm back to wearing my fall pajamas and look how cute they are. So cute and pink. And I'm gonna show you guys what I use to wash my face. So just CeraVe and then just my current body wash, which you can pick up from TJ Maxx. And then right now I'm just gonna go ahead and put vitamin C serum on my skin. That's all I put. And this you can pick up from Target. Just wanna rub it in. I'm also gonna go ahead and brush my teeth, and I just use Sensodyne.
I go back to the top, to the same place I started, and draw a standing line going up.